AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. Before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. You can check out these links, join the free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers in the prop firm and sign up with them if you want. So subscribe, like, everything is free. Let's get back. And this AUDUSD analysis will be also same to NZDUSD. So in case you trade NZDUSD as well, use the same analysis for AUDUSD as a reference, and you can trade NZDUSD as well. So starting with the weekly, let's go. And we are in the uptrend, as you can see. So we broke above the EMA in the weekly chart, then pull back, then we're going up again. Let's come back to daily. In daily we are above the EMA, so we had a new trend. This was sell trend for like maybe 3 days, okay, and then we had a long blue candle which has eaten these previous two red candles, which means continuation of the uptrend. Then we had a pullback, then again blue candle which did not break the high, then red candle, then again we have a new blue candle, okay. So in daily it has been going zigzag, so AUDUSD is not giving me much confidence right now from daily chart, okay. So from daily I can see zigzag because these two highs did not break the previous high, okay. So in daily I don't have much clarity, so let's move on to 4-hour. In 4-hour we are doing zigzag as well, as you can see, because this EMA line is going right through the candles, in between the candles. You see, every time the EMA line passes between the candles, that means we are in the consolidation zone, okay. So either the price, either the candles should be right above above the EMA or right below the EMA. But right now in this case the EMA line is going through the candles. That's called what do you call, I forgot the word. You have uptrend, buy trend, and then we have consolidation zones. That's what is happening right now. So we are looking for longs, but after each pullback. So if you take a look at the 4-hour, you see here we made this new low, but then we are going up again, okay. So we are going up, hopefully will come down as a pullback, and then we can enter long as well. So personally for today, I don't think I am interested in AUDUSD because right now it's consolidating, okay. However, the trend is up, and look for longs after each pullback. Same for NZDUSD. So be careful while you trade. Make sure you do your analysis and you know your numbers. Subscribe, like, share the video. I'll see you in my next. Till then, take care.